Good morning, everyone. I hope every one of you had a great evening last night. It was really, really nice on the deck. It was like 83 degrees last night, so this big cold front that pushed through that's headed towards the southeast, the deep south, is welcome. Getting a little bit of September weather here in August. It's nice. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have been overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, tomorrow's the day Draghi and Yellen speak, and neither is expected to change current policy nor forward guidance. So the Fed is saying an interest rate increase in December, and the taper could begin in late September, October. The market is saying that neither will occur right now if you look at treasuries. Draghi, anything for any situation, any possible scenario, the European Central Bank is going to do it. Interest rates will go up at some point. The taper will begin at some point, but we don't know when that is. Conditions in the economy on the ground, so to speak, will dictate. So Draghi is supposed to be as nebulous as he always is. He gave a speech this week in Germany and didn't shed any light on what he's going to say tomorrow at Jackson Hole. Now, that doesn't mean that they won't change. They won't do that. So tomorrow's, when they pick up the mic, 10 Eastern for Yellen, I don't know when Draghi speaks, the market will be subject to whipsaws and news spikes off the news algos. And buy stopping or sell stopping into the market when you take out support or resistance will be the strategy or the tactic that will allow you to benefit from that if you don't get slipped too far. And getting slipped is a part of the problem. So at 10 o'clock Eastern, there could be a play there. There might not. And there could be liquidity and there might not. We just don't know. So anyway, that's what's going to sit on the market today and probably hold us in a trading range. Today's news: jobless claims 237, existing home sales 5.565 million, could come in lower than forecast. Nat gas plus 44B. And KC Fed, don't know. Previously 10. My guess is it's probably 10 to 12. Then the direction of the E-mini. And I think we've got trading ranges in all of our markets today, awaiting the speeches tomorrow. First sell is 27 to 31. Obviously 31 is a better sell than 27. 3 to 7 sell 2. On the buy side, 17 to 21. And 9 to 13 for buy 2. My call's trading range. Don't have a preference one way or the other. Guess 16 to 20 for the bond. For number 1, 23.27 sell 1. 31 to 03 sell 2. On the buy side, 4 to 8. 29 to 01 buy 1. And 17 to 21 buy 2. Might be looking at a 12 to 16 tick trading range in the 30-year today. Gold, pretty tight trading range, so 95, 97. I think that's where we were last night. Yep, 95 to 97, and we had a 90 to 92 buy. Those numbers look pretty good to me this morning, so 95, 97, sell 1. 99 to 01, sell 2. On the buy side, 89 to 91. 85, 87, buy 2. Knowing where support and resistance are, being able to put the markets into context is how you can make that kind of call with the kind of accuracy that we do have day in and day out. Not perfect, some days we miss, but most of the time we're going to be pretty close to where support and resistance are, and we'll be able to frame the market or put it in the right context to make trading range calls or the potential to trend, etc. Okay, looking at the euro, we had a 40 to 50 sell last night. I was 30. So we'll make 30 to 40, sell 1. 50 to 60, sell 2. On the buy side, we had 118 to 118.10. We caught that. It looks reasonable again. And 17.75 for buy 2. So we caught one side of the market for Globex. We caught both sides in the euro, both sides of the market in gold. Now, if you can trade London time, you just have to slow it down a little bit. Put your trades on and disappear for a while. Crude oil. Last night we were looking to sell 48.50 to 75. Did not quite make 48.50. So 48 and a quarter, 48.50, sell 1. 48.75, 49, sell 2. Now, Brent went into backwardation on Monday of this week. First time that's happened in a long time. And so it's led the markets to reconsider how much supply there is in the market and when will the markets move into balance. Best guess today is that there's an extra 300,000 to 400,000 barrels per day being put out in the market that doesn't have a home. So that backwardation move says that things might be, supply and demand might be closer to imbalance than the pundits think it is. Okay, I've got a lot of volume down here in the 47.75 to 48 area, so we'll just leave that as buy 1. And then 47 and a quarter, 47.50 buy 2. Selling into 48.50, buying into 47.50 is where I see the market. And the E-mini, kind of in no man's land right here, just waiting to see, I guess, Jackson Hole. So speech is tomorrow. We had a 40-point short covering rally right there. That met the criteria. Next day was sold. The market needed volume in this area right in here. Got it. structurally the market was pulled to our high volume number at 35.36. So I'm guessing trading range today will sell 49s to 51s, sell 1. 54, 56s, sell 2. On the buy side, 40, 42. And 35, 37. 35, 37 was our number 2 buy last night. We did not get. Let's see, our sell last night was 47 to 50. Just getting there right now. So we caught one side of the E-mini market. So again, the thing we have going for us in the overnight session is that we know where support and resistance are. If there's no news to move the markets, we're probably looking at a trading range a little higher or a little lower. But that suits our style and the way we play the markets. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. Back with you as soon as possible.